Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 12 of the practice final. Graph the hyperbola negative 4x square plus y square equal to 16. The graph is provided to you. So first we have to identify how the equation looks like. So the hyperbola equation would be x square minus a square, y square over b square equal to 1, or y square over a square minus x square over b square equal to 1. So if the coefficient in front of x square or the x square term is positive, the branches of the hyperbola will cut the x-axis. If the coefficient in front of y square is positive or the y square term is positive, the branches of the hyperbola will cut the y-axis. So make a note that the right hand side of the equation must be made to 1. So we will rearrange the terms in the given equation so that we have a positive term first. So if you rearrange it, it's y square minus 4x square equal to 16. And we have to make the right hand side to 1. So divide the whole thing by 16. So we get y square over 16 minus x square over 4 equal to 1. So this is the equation in the form of this kind. So the branches of the hyperbola is going to cut the y-axis. So we notice the denominator under y square is 16. So call it a square, which is equal to 16. A equal to square root of 16. That is plus or minus 4. And then the other denominator is b square, which is equal to 4. So if you take the square root on both sides, get b equal to plus or minus square root of 4 or b equal to plus or minus 2. So we take the number under y square, which is 4, then mark 4 and negative 4 on the y-axis. So you have 4 and negative 4 marked on the y-axis. On the x-axis, because 4 b square occurs right below x square, so plus or minus 2 go on the x-axis. So we will mark 2 and negative 2 on the x-axis. Now we will complete this rectangle as a dotted line. Also join the diagonals, they are called asymptotes, passing through the origin. As we said earlier, the branches of the hyperbola are going to cut the y-axis. So you make sure that the branches hug the asymptotes. We want to just label those points 0, 4, 0, negative 4 are the important point. The center of the hyperbola is the origin, and these points are 2, 0, they are points on the x-axis, negative 2, 0. 0, 4 and negative 0, 4 are called the vertices, say V1 and V2, and C, the origin, is called the center of the hyperbola. Hope this video helps.